Hi guys, today we are going to Mount Rushmore. We're using the parking that's near Mount Rushmore, but you can also see Mount Rushmore from a distance. We're using the parking that's near Mount Rushmore because you can see it up close and you can learn its history and stuff like that. So Mount Rushmore was opened in 1941 and was created by sculptor Gutzon Borglum and his son Lincoln. Mount Rushmore is located in South Dakota in the Black Hills region. It's near a town called Keystone. The series of flags you see here are of the 50 states of America. This is a panorama picture that I took of Mount Rushmore. The four faces carved into Mount Rushmore are one of the most significant presidents of U.S. history. The four faces are George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. There is an auditorium on the floor below us. We are right now on the top platform. If you go down the stairs, there's a pretty nice museum there. There's a lot of things written there about Mount Rushmore, and it's also written there which faces are on Mount Rushmore. There's also a model or a replica of Mount Rushmore, which they used to plan how to carve it, how to plan how for it to look. There was also a dedication to workers who made Mount Rushmore. There is a fake detonator here so you can experience how it felt when they exploded the mountain with dynamite. After viewing the museum, we went to the gift shop to see some of the things that are kept for sale there. There was a small book that has a short summary of the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution of the United States of America. There was also a stamp station that if you have a passport, a sightseeing passport from the gift shop, you can stamp it here, but we stamped our map with it. There are also a few frames that were kept there that you can hold and it'll look like a painting. When we were leaving Mount Rushmore, we went in a bigger souvenir gift shop. There are cups here that say Mount Rushmore on it. There are also bells. There are keychains that say Mount Rushmore on it. There are small replicas that you can buy with the house of Mount Rushmore. There are a lot of things. It looks beautiful. After seeing Mount Rushmore, we are now headed to Crazy Horse, which is a mountain monument which is now right now under construction. There are a lot of bikers here right now because there's a biking rally in a town called Sturgis, which is like 5 kilometers away from Rapid City. So stay tuned for Crazy Horse. Here are some memories that we had. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Bye.